As you can see, it's easy to type. This is how it's like playing. I didn't want to use the keyboard, so wait, I'll give it to you.
I don't know why it's taking so long. Wait, what did I just do?
And look how I'm playing. I'm playing like with 2 fingers, like
I'm just waiting. Finally, my Roblox is loading. So we're playing Card Leadership, right? We're playing on.
It's a good thing I'm your friend, right?
We're playing on.
Look at my screen.
It's blue. Join friends. There we go. Okay.
Man, just know when you see the MG1 drifting, that person, isn't it? You saw that person like, what's my real doing? There are ILO.
You're going to AO, okay? Yeah, you can join the server right now.
AO.
Yeah.
You meet me in my Porsche 9 in my Tesla Roadster. Like, oh wait, I see the VIN. First thing first, I'm saying over the world. I'm the only one on the server.
No worry, I'm joining the server soon.
I'm playing so fast, right?
You're playing like you're confused.
I'm playing with 2 fingers like this. Look how I'm moving.
Okay, Roblox is starting.
Okay, Roblox is starting, trying to walk.
I'm on the server.
Yes, right. You have 2.2 million.
I have 2.7. Oh, how do I have 2.2? Last time I joined in, I was out there.
I wonder what car you bought.
I didn't buy any car. The last time I remember I was at 2.7.
I remember Boots on the Wii was the one that was supposed to get.
Why am I keep on changing this?
Looks like it's like when I'm driving.
When I say our doing shippers are close together. Oh, in fact, are not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm stuck between your buildings.
We both have electrical cars. I remember when I was grinding for the SSG to Atara. Yeah, but it's a fast car.
Yeah, I can go up to 4
kilometers per hour. Oh my god.
The good thing I put it as spoiler.
I'm using the Chiron.
A Chiron? I'm already on the land. It sounds like a hybrid car.
I know.
You could have met by a delicious. We'll meet by this tree. Where is this part?
Okay, I'm coming in my veneno.
The veneno. You see me like standing here like foxes. Like, ooh, ooh, wow, ooh, 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 oh, oh. Wing, come and buy, oh. Come to buy, come to thing, buy 2 piece, yeah. Ooh, bread. Are you this poor man?
No, I'm not poor. This is a $1 million house. Do you even have $1 million?
Yes.
That saves you right 300k.
Look what car I'm gonna pop out.
Yeah, but it's not faster than my Veneno. And I can prove it to you.
What? What are I doing the fake? I know how to do the fake, look!
Let's go to the circuit. Let's see which car is faster. Veneno versus Porsche.
Veneno versus
This is basically Lamborghini versus Porsche. And Lamborghini will always win.
Lamborghini versus Tesla.
Oh my god. Lamborghini. Okay, electrical race.
No electrical race. I need to make sure I put my suspension onto.
My suspension, if I checked the last time, my suspension was on extra low. Yeah.
I'm wasting cash. I need the Easter Bunny.
I'm putting mine on.
Mama, on AO, did you get the Easter Bunny rims?
Yeah, I got the Easter Bunny rims.
But you didn't get them.
Look, I did. I got the Easter Bunny rims.
You can just use the things.
I need to change my spoiler.
His spoiler. My spoiler's already onto set.
Oh la la, look at the spoiler. I'll pass you. There's electrical.
My spoiler is bigger than yours.
And they're the same size. Look, they're the same size. Almost. Yours is quite big. Not one lap. Yeah. Because remember, we're also grinding whilst doing this. We both have Easter Bunny wings, but mine are white and yours are black. I'll win, bruh. I'll win. The handling that I have.
The handling that Tesla Roadsters have. Yes.
Oh. You what? Yo, what?
Told you. I just messed up.
Oh no,
I'm
you're
gonna
stretching
get
out.
here.
Ish, electrical cars and the handling. On PC, if you don't have the great kind of handling and enough space to handle your car.
Even the Atlantic is sideways, but it's better.
Move your hand.
Don't ask me how I know the Atlantic. Atlantic is sideways.
I
What's
can
the
just see you
difference?
passing by the bridge.
This thing has no handling. I'm spawning out now.
You're spawning out.
Spawning out.
I'm spawning out mine. It's so funny. You just.
Audio later.
Oh my god. You sound too flat.
Why does this car also have
It's because you're on iPad, bro. Just get the keyboard and mouse.
a keyboard?
Yeah.
It's even more worse.
I don't know what you can use it.
You can't use W.
Yeah, I know.
It's more easier.
The keyboard is used for typing. That's why Veneno walks the way.
Walks the road. You mean it goes walks on the road.
No, it's Dwayne Johnson.
Oh, you're saying it was on the road.
I'm saying it's rock. It's the rock.
I just saw your video.
Me, I'm on the 5th lap, bruh.